Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to change your birthday on Snapchat. So let's get into it. First of all, let's find Snapchat on your phone screen and then tap on the icon to open it. Once it opens up on the screen, from the bottom menu, open the chats page. Now here from the top left side, tap on the image and it will open your Snapchat profile page. From the top right side, tap on the gear icon to open settings. On this page, you can see your details like name, profile name and birthday, so tap to open it. Here, tap on your date of birth and from the bottom of the screen, change the details. But keep in mind that you have a limited number of times to change, so be careful. Once you are done, tap on continue. And that's it. This is how you can change your date of birth on Snapchat. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.